Alfred McCoy is an American that born on June 8, 1945 at Massachusetts, USA. Alfred McCoy is a professor of history at the University of Wisconsin, where he also served as director of Center for Southeast Asian Studies. He specialized in Philippine political history and global opium trafficking. He spent the past of his life writing about the politics and history of the opium trade.
What is caricature? The word caricatures come from the Italian word carico, and caricare means to load or to exaggerate. A picture, description, or imitation of a person in which certain striking characteristics are exaggerated in order to create a comic or grotesque effect.
McCoy Award, such as a Philippine Catholic Mass Media Award, Best Book of the Year of 1985, Philippine National Book Award for History in 1986, and the Gintong Aklat Award in Manila Special Citation for History in 1987. He also made other popular works such as The Shadow of the American Century, The Rise of the Decline of U.S. Global Power in 2017, Policing American Empire, The United States and the Rise of the Surveillance State in 2009.
While the priest lives alone in a big building, while the priest lives alone in a big, like many nationalists of his day. Vicente Soto, the publisher of The Independent, never missed a chance to attack the Catholic Church.
Number 2 image is a police force bride. Depicts the first of Manila's periodic police scandals during the American era. The cartoonist Fernando Amarcelo gives an illustration of his usual racist edge. Example, Chinese men are usually caricatured, for they are described as corruptors or opium smugglers.
This image, equal work and equal salary. When Filipinos began winning civil service appointment after 1913, they found themselves facing serious discrimination in both wage and positions. Francis B. Harrison, the Liberal Governor General, read the Pro, American Hiring Policies of the Top Era, 1900 to 1912, and began the Filipinization of the civil service.
So, as you can see in this image, where the mosquito is the king, the Board of Health distributed millions of doses of quinine and eliminated mosquito breeding grounds by filling up the standing water holes by spraying them with mosquito.
Image 5, Liberty, Equality, Fraternity. The Philippine Assembly passed a law authorizing all legislators, active or retired, to bear firearms. The Manila press was outraged, but the legislator ignored the opposition and promulgated the law over the screams of protest.
Number 6 image, by the Upper Solar Rebels. It shows the form of landlord usury used to strip tenants' farmers from the rightful shares of harvest.
In this image, a new wrinkle in the art of thieving. This shows the city of capitalized using the torrents title process, which require relinquishment of customer claims to issue titles to grab lands in Nueva Ecija and other central provinces.
In this picture, as demobilized American soldiers filled with Insular Civil Service American Corporation won the major development projects, Filipino nationalists saw themselves becoming economic aliens in their own land, and cartoon's image of Meralco, EER and Elco dragging Juan de la Cruz along the neck as he vomits peso from his emaciated frame is no overstatement.